Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into IKEA's newest releases for March 2025, and trust me, you're going to love these fresh, functional, and stylish finds. Whether you're looking to brighten up your space, add smart storage, or just get some cool new kitchen and bathroom essentials, we've got you covered. So, grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's jump right in. 1. Kranbalk Ceiling Lamp. Elegant yet practical, the Kranbalk ceiling lamp is a glowing masterpiece. Its 3 white glass shades offer a soft, glare-free light, perfect for brightening up hallways, bedrooms, or living rooms. Mounted close to the ceiling, it provides ample illumination while adding a stylish touch to your space. Second, Doftbräken. Vase, dark blue. A simple yet expressive vase that brings personality into any space. Whether filled with flowers or standing solo as a decor piece, its rich dark blue color adds depth and charm to any room. A bold accent for any modern home. Third, Sunnersta storage unit. A sleek and sturdy storage solution that fits anywhere. Whether it's extra workspace in the kitchen, handy hallway storage, or a unique bedside table, this unit adapts to your needs while keeping your home tidy. HAVSTOBIS Food Container with lid store leftovers in style with this clear stackable glass container. Designed to keep food fresh without absorbing odors or stains. It's a must-have for an organized fridge and clutter-free cabinets. SILVERHAJMAL tray. Breakfast in bed just got an upgrade. This durable bamboo tray with sturdy handles makes serving effortless, whether you're carrying coffee upstairs or enjoying a Skuggstubb mug. This stylish glass mug makes every sip feel luxurious. Perfect for hot or cold drinks. Its sturdy handle and elegant color combination bring a touch of sophistication to your daily routine. Shower shelf. A sleek, space-saving shelf for your shower essentials. Its smooth edges prevent bumps, while built-in drainage holes keep everything dry and clean. No visible screws for a polished look. Trainere basket, a versatile hand-woven basket that adds texture and storage to any space. Its lightweight yet durable design makes it easy to carry and perfect for organizing daily essentials. 14. Perfect for small bathrooms, this compact sink cabinet offers both open and hidden storage. The sliding doors save space, while the sleek green finish adds a fresh, modern touch. 14. Rinnig Dish Drying Mat, Beige, 21/8 by 16.5 inches. Keep your kitchen neat and dry with this soft yet sturdy drying mat. Perfect for dishes or under a drainer, its raised ridges prevent slipping while ensuring cleaning cloth. These ultra-absorbent cleaning cloths handle everything from kitchen spills to dishwashing with ease. Made of soft cellulose and cotton, they leave surfaces spotless without scratching.